Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Epic Games installation failed. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons that you will be facing this problem. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up Task Manager. Once you've opened Task Manager, all you need to do is simply go ahead and find the Epic Games Launcher tab. And when you find it, simply right click and click on End Task. That should go ahead and solve your problem when you relaunch it. However, if it still doesn't, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head to the Windows tab. Simply search for Epic Games Launcher, right click and go to the file location. Right click on it one more time, click on Show More Options. Click on Properties and then go to Compatibility. Make sure that Run this program as administrator is turned on. The other thing you want to do is simply press Windows R and then write %local app data %. Click on OK. And this is where you want to find Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher folders. Simply go ahead and delete all the content that are inside of it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.